of the writing process. rewriting, drafting, and revising in order to deliver message accurately. This approach has received positive reception from students and instructors. And we can see on the yellow line, as its name suggests, the process-driven approach is a combination of two approaches, the process approach and the journey approach. As the concept articulates, the PGA utilizes the advantage of both the process approach, such as planning, editing, and publishing, and the properties of the journey approach. EA using the language for communication, purpose, and according to the situations. The approach combines the effects of the process approach and the gender approach to increase the effectiveness of each worker. Okay, and we have 6 criteria that guide students in Israeli. This project, according to Refinaldi, 2013, include incipient knowledge to enlarge a paragraph into an essay, writing and introductory paragraph. Okay. There are 6 main criteria that guide students in writing essays. The paragraph 2, the approach and focus involves 6 criteria that guide students in essay writing. These criteria, according to Refinaldi, 2013, include the incipient knowledge to enlarge a paragraph into an essay, writing an introductory paragraph with a hook, background information, and creating a sentence, developing the body paragraph with their elements, topic sentence, and the last is writing a conclusion for the essay. For understanding of expanding a statement into an essay and creating a clear generic structure in writing. Okay, I will explain about material and methods or lead methodology. Here there are 3 parts. The first, sample, second, design, and last, instrument. Sample use. The sample consists of 15 senior students enrolled in the Department of English, Faculty of Education, Hattermole University, and the design used. In the experience, the participant underwent 30-hour PGA-based teaching program. The experiment continued for 10 weeks or 3 hours a week. Okay, next, instrument use. The study adopted 2 tools to collect the data from the sample. The first instrument was the writing test. The reliability of the test was calculated using the Spearman-Brun coefficient. The items were split into 2 halves. The coefficients between the criteria such activity, which is strong correlation theory, and students should select 1 opinion they agree and 3 to train their opinion by providing some fact and persuade other people. And the assessment were sent to another who had been in charge of the same academic writing course for 5 years. And the second instrument was an unstructured interview to collect information on student opinion regarding the academic writing course in general, as well as writing through the PGA that the instructor used during the semester. The students were interviewed. The interview were conducted by the course instructor. In the analysis and interview was given a number for confidentially because for transcribing the recording from 1 to 10. All 10 transcriptions were analyzed, but only 4 of them were edited toward the academic writing. It is toward the academic writing course, the experience for 10 weeks. Okay, in data analysis, there is rubric. This rubric was adapted for Savage and Nair. A scale from 1 to 10 was used to assess the student writing in each of the 7 criteria. It focused on the following criteria. Criteria 1, C1, stating a clear position in the thesis statement. Criteria 2, C2, stating a clear topic sentence and support for the body paragraph. Criteria 3, C3, using facts to support opinion. Criteria 4, C4, providing a counter argument and refutation. Criterion 5, C5, providing a conclusion with convincing suggestion, prediction, or warning. Okay, next, criterion 6, C6, expressing 21st for upholding generations. Last criterion 7, C7, using connectors. Okay, because of the small size of the sample, the non-parametric base of the question side rank test was used. The data ratio from the interview were also analyzed qualitatively.
I will explain finding and discussion. On this occasion, I will explain the finding and discussion contained in journal. Finding in this journal is done by the score and interview method. For the score instrument, it is explained in 2 stages. In the first stage, which grade as the data in the table, so the score of the poster was higher than that of the pre-test. Finding on the result of the new lessons and brain test. Table 3 solve a completed by two tablets, which is statistically significant for the student performance on the process. While the second stage, after the course, the student can to share their key sessions. The responses were centered on two aspects: A, student perception towards academic writing in general, and B, student perceptions towards the instructor teaching using the BGA. Both states explain the criteria based on the score but are not fully explained and are not reinforced by expert opinion. It can be seen in the discussion session, but there is not expert opinion that reinforces these findings. Furthermore, in the finding of the interview assessment, which reads, further analysis of the interview relevant that the course when I report the BGA houses learner fix their writing mistake and stimulate their motivation for writing. Taken together, the responses exceed budget. The academic writing based on the BGA had positive effect on their performance at different levels, getting them to write fully, learning and using new vocabulary and working. In this instrument, it can be seen the explanation of the finding. The interview with student is explained in detail and it is accompanied by the opinions of experts, which can be seen in the discussion. The expert stated, at small 2015, confirming that the BGA performance student writing competence in the Pakistani context, like Miss Jupiter's 2013, study showed that the BGA performance student competence writing application letter, additionally, a labor and summary. Reported that in an experimental study, the experimental group outperformance and control group only the PGA that the study centered on. Next, I said that L.E.R.T. and Marley, who reports positive perfection from both students and institutions, like Ms. Abdullah, 2008, recommended instructor use the PGI for writing introduction as the help that student becoming independent writer. C. In my opinion, there are several errors or flaws that I considered after reviewing this journal. First, overall there are some statements that are not supported by expert opinion. Second, on the score index, there are several points that are not explained whether a particular general, in my personal opinion, this recipe is very important because it is a benchmark for how much influence PTA has in improving student competence in various aspects of the learning profile.
Okay, that's all our presentation. Now the conclusion is the research findings and discussion by affirming the effectiveness of the PTA in the EC rating at the qualitative level. It acknowledges the limitations of the study and suggests areas for future research. That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention and good afternoon.
Good afternoon.